I'm a loser. Yep, still a loser.
If you realize in my YouTube channel, most of my videos are me with my friends because it's awkward for me to talk by myself.
I've met someone that makes me feel seasick. Oh, what a skill to have. Oh, what a skill to have so many skills that make her distinctive.
Hi. Okay. I bet you can't hear me. Wait. For your information, I mean, you guys are supposed to know about this. This is the pair of jeans that I am willing to sacrifice. A basic, what color is this? Washed off jeans. I'm going to try and tape half of the pants and also this part I'm going to leave here and Cloroxed. I'll dye it. Clorox it, whatever. Detergent.
Idiot.
I checked the weather today and the forecast said that it's gonna rain and it's so noisy. We'll see how it goes. Oh my god, it's not okay. So, I've taped this. Here's my jeans and a plastic bag and the same stuff that I use. I can't talk. Ooh. A heads up, you may have to make sure that you stretch the jeans before you tape them or it wouldn't turn out nice. I did a big mistake, so I'm just gonna quickly change the side of the tape to this side and I'll update you guys in a bit.
Just did a bad thing. I regret the thing I did. And you're wondering what it is. Tell you what I did. I did a bad thing.
Make sure you pay a lot of attention to the crotch area because most of the videos I watch, they kind of botched the area and the color of the bleach went to the other side, if you know what I mean. And yeah, so just pay attention to this area and make sure the tape is super thick. Actually don't know how much water I should put, so I'm just doing it. If you realize, I also taped the inside because I'm paranoid. I've seen videos where the bleach went to the other side because they didn't tape it properly, so I'm trying to avoid that very much. So I gotta tape this side. Ooh.
Here's another song about a gender I'll never understand.
Accidentally, well, there's literally detergent on this table and I accidentally, you know, mistakes happen, but this happened. So yeah, I think it will turn out well, but I'll let it sit here for like half an hour and then I'll check on it later. And there's suddenly a hole inside here. I'm afraid that it will bleed through, but I hope it didn't. And now I'm just fixing the areas where I think it should be fixed, like this part. And my mom said I can just put this in the washing machine, so I'm gonna do that in a while. I forgot where I put my phone, but it was on the stand because it was recording and I thought I left it in the washing machine.
Idiot.
Hello. How to open up? Ooh, it looks good now. Except for the tape there. Guess what? The jeans are done. I finally completed it and I'm gonna style it and I'm gonna show you the results. I did bleed, but the back part is perfect. Only this part is a little bit botched, but it's okay. So I'm gonna style this in an outfit and you guys can see it in the next clip. So thanks for watching. Adios.
That shit, installing only goes so far when you've got a head start.